Joneses when I was young, from 20 to probably 33, making over $100,000 a year, doing whatever, but blowing it, buying myself an excursion, and it was only me that said nine people, making.
I don't even need this.
I don't need that. I could have had a little car, but I was just trying to keep up with everybody, trying to do everything. And then once I found a girl, got married and stuff. We're probably making close to $200,000. We got a house. Our mortgage was $5,000 a month. It's two of us living in a 6-bedroom house.
Wow. What do you need all that for?
Pool table, trying to, throwing parties and stuff, going to Vegas every 2 or 3 months. And then, all that came to a halt, man.
So, and once you start struggling, you realize what? You don't need all that shit.
Don't need that. I had a Chrysler 300, she had a Mercedes SLK, had a Dodge Ram, all of it gone. And it came out here, nothing. I didn't have a car. I was using my girlfriend's car.
From $200K to borrowing somebody's car. Damn!
And then at that point, it's like sleeping on the sofa at a friend's house, sleeping in my truck. And then, just like trying to work my business. I was in a situation where there was control. A woman had control over the mind and stuff. And I got out of it. Once I got out of that, and then started doing my stuff, things started happening. It took a couple of years, but it started happening. I started got my own place, got my own stuff, my business. I finally quit a job, and now I'm working just independently. Ain't got nobody over my head.
And this is his business, by the way, Ross Mobile. So if you're in the Phoenix area or you're in Phoenix, you need some RV help, just holler at my guy, Ross Mobile. You can look him up.
Ain't got no help, and I'm just, got my daughter on my own, and I'm working it. That's all you can do now. I had, when you're working for somebody, you got a ceiling. And once you hit that ceiling, that's it. Making that $50,000 a year.
That's high as you going.
You got somebody telling you do this. You on call 24 hours a day. Shoot. Now, I wake up when I want to wake up. I work when I want to work. And it feels good. My blood pressure, when I was working for somebody, was 110.
He said my blood pressure was high as hell.
Now I'm down to like 110, 60. And I don't even take my blood pressure meds anymore. Which is it's just like, it's good.
There you go. Stop trying to live with the Joneses. It made your blood pressure go down. Everything leveled out. You feel better.
Feel good.
Just being your own boss.
I'm working right now. I'm getting paid as a
There you go. There you go, man. Get your hog off.